6. Apple cider vinegar health benefits. You've probably heard of apple cider vinegar. You presumably use it as a cooking ingredient if you have it in your kitchen. But are you aware of how beneficial it may be to your health? Apple cider vinegar has been reported to aid with anything from hiccups to cold symptoms to weight loss and heart disease prevention. Here are a few reasons why you should include 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in your daily diet. 1. Aids in the relief of heartburn and acid reflux. Acid reflux is most commonly caused by a lack of acid in the stomach. Antibiotic qualities abound in apple cider vinegar. Drink 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water to reduce stomach acid. 2. Supports a healthy cholesterol level. Apple cider vinegar raises good cholesterol levels. It can also protect the arteries from being damaged and oxidized, which is the main cause of elevated cholesterol, according to research. 3. Can help you lose weight in a healthy way. Apple cider vinegar can even aid weight loss. This is due to the presence of acetic acid, which reduces hunger, aids in the breakdown of materials, and reduces the quantity of water stored in the body. If you're trying to lose weight, this is a terrific combination. 4. Supports a healthy blood sugar level. According to studies, apple cider vinegar contains potent anti-glycemic qualities that help keep blood sugar levels in check. The vinegar prevents some carbohydrate from being digested, preventing blood sugar spikes. 5. It's antioxidant-rich. Antioxidants in apple cider vinegar keep your body healthy and working smoothly. Catechin, gallic acid, caffeic, and chlorogenic acids are among them. 6. Increases the absorption of nutrients. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which aids in the absorption of essential minerals from meals. Vinegar in your salad dressing may also aid in the absorption of extra nutrients from your salad vegetables. Just 2 teaspoons a day will help maintain your heart healthy, as well as provide your body with essential nutrients. Here are some pointers to help you get started with apple cider vinegar. Take care not to buy just any apple cider vinegar off the shelf. Ensure that the apple cider vinegar you purchase is organic, raw, and unfiltered. Mix 2 teaspoons in a glass of water if you wish to drink it every day. To add taste, a tablespoon of honey or little lemon juice can be used. There are other options if you don't want to drink apple cider vinegar. You can include it in salads or other foods to ensure that you get enough of it in your diet. Remember to like and subscribe. Check out the links below. Enjoy!